I haven't done a voiceover in so long, but I am back to show you guys the process of my silk presses. So this client came in, and obviously she's natural. So we're going to do a silk press today, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what I do. So first, here's the shampoo I use. I'm going to go ahead and go in, and you want to make sure you're cleansing that scalp really good. Okay, and I say I lift them up and I just get to going. You want to make sure you're getting in the scalp, cleansing the scalp as well as the hair. For those that don't know, I was recently in an accident, so I'm not really able to go in with my left hand. So as you can see, I'm just working with my right hand and trying to get in there as best as I could. You want to make sure you also repeat this process at least 2 times to get the hair and scalp as clean as you can. I like to hear squeaks when I'm done shampooing my client's hair. Next up is our conditioner. I am a stickler for conditioner, so I put conditioner in the hair after I shampoo, of course. Rinse it with cool water, put conditioner in the hair after I rinse it, and then I seal that with leave-in conditioner. So if you're ever able to take a class of mine that I will be having in the future, you'll know why I love to lock that hydration in there. You can see how shiny the hair looks after just blow drying it, how bouncy it is, after just blow drying it. Next up, I put more leave-in conditioner in there before I style the hair. And again, that's just hydration. I love moisture. I love for the hair to be shiny after styling, and that's exactly what it is with the product. I tell my clients all the time, the product is doing majority of the work. If you're using good products, your hair will be healthy. Definitely all about the product, the consistency, and make sure you are just being hands-on and seeing a professional. YouTube is not enough. Seek professional help. YouTube is like WebMD. You know what I'm saying? It might set you up. It might set you up for the fall. But, if you seek professional help, someone who actually went to school for this, they'll tell you, what's good for your hair, what's not. And that will definitely change the hair itself and, just how manageable it is. So keep that in mind. All right, so now that all the curls are done, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this baby. So before I wrap her hair, I usually spray just a tad bit of oil sheen if needed. Most times it's not because I use such great products on the hair. It's already shiny. So we're gonna wrap her hair up and sit her under the dryer for a few minutes, and we're gonna be back. All right, so this is officially my favorite part. When I get to unwrap the hair and style the hair. Look how beautiful, look how shiny, look how bouncy. I'm telling you guys, if it wasn't for the product, her hair would not look like this. I mean, I do a lot of the work now, don't get me wrong, but product is very important. I can't stress it enough. All right, so this is just a little hair wax to get the flyaways to lay down. And I'm also going to just spray a tad bit of oil sheen, just give it a little extra shine, because I'm extra like that. And we're gonna go ahead and comb her hair out, and yeah, watch me work. All right, so this is the finished product, and it looks so good, so beautiful. She looks lovely. Do we love it? Do we love it? Yes, we do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're in Charlotte, I'll put the information on how you can book an appointment below. I'll also be offering silk press classes and basic knowledge classes for people who would like to learn how to keep their hair healthy. Also, a product list will also be in the caption. And if you're looking to purchase products from us, you can either pick up in store or order online, www.glamheadz.com. Thank you so much for watching.